Schluter SCHIENE-STEP is a finishing and edging profile for ceramic tile and natural stone installations on countertops, stairs, and tile-over-tile applications on walls. SCHIENE-STEP is available in anodized aluminum and stainless steel versions, which have slightly different shapes and intended uses. The stainless steel version features a brushed finish and is available in 3 vertical leg lengths. Each length is suited for a different application: countertops, stairs, and tile-over-tile applications on walls. The stainless steel version also features several accessories to facilitate installation, including inside and outside corners and connectors. The accessory pieces are available only to integrate with the stainless steel version of the SCHIENE-STEP. The anodized aluminum version is available in 2 vertical lengths to cover the edge of the subassembly. Accessories are not available for the anodized aluminum version. Schluter SCHIENE-STEP in anodized aluminum is an elegant solution to finish and protect tile edges in residential stair applications or others not exposed to heavy traffic. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, we have selected the tile and corresponding profiles and determined the overall layout. SCHIENE-STEP in anodized aluminum will be used as the stair-nosing. The Schluter Dialex EKE movement joint will be used between the stair treads and risers. The Schluter Dialex BWA movement joint will be installed between the tile and stringers. The Dialex profiles are maintenance-free alternatives to sealant joints. We selected the SCHIENE-STEP size according to the thickness and format of the adjacent tile, and chose the vertical length to cover the subassembly. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile material, different tools will be required. For the SCHIENE-STEP in aluminum, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Aluminum profiles can also be cut using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. Another option is to simply use a hacksaw. Look for a bimetal blade and select the highest teeth per inch, or TPI, available. A miter box is recommended to help ensure a straight cut. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the SCHIENE-STEP anodized aluminum profile in a residential stair application. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. The SCHIENE-STEP profiles are installed in conjunction with the tiles. The stairs have been prepared to receive tile, including installation of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. Measure where the SCHIENE-STEP will be installed along the stair nosing. Transfer the measurement to the profile. The SCHIENE-STEP is cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Be sure to observe all safety instructions and standards. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed. Cut the profile slowly. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward with the installation. Measure where the Dialex profiles will be installed and cut the profiles to length using snips. Make sure the blade is sharp to help ensure a clean cut. Use a cut section of the riser tile to determine the proper measurements. Dry fit the Dialex EKE. Place the stair riser tile onto the Dialex EKE and dry fit the SCHIENE-STEP over the tile. Measure and cut sections of Dialex BWA for the tread and riser. Dry fit the Dialex BWA. Where profile anchoring legs overlap, they must be trimmed, as this would interfere with the tile installation. Cut the anchoring legs and dry fit the profiles. Continue the process of measuring, cutting, and dry fitting the SCHIENE-STEP and Dialex profiles onto the stairs to ensure proper fit. Once the profiles have been cut and checked, the installation can begin. Using a notched trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the stair riser and adjacent treads for the installation of the profiles and tile. We begin by simply placing the Dial-X movement profiles at the tread to riser transition and against the stringers. The profiles will be held in place with the installation of the adjacent tiles. Trowel thin-set mortar over the perforated anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles in the thin-set mortar, leaving a joint of approximately 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch between the tile and the profile. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the sheen step will be installed. Place several beads of Curdy Fix or similar to the back side of the sheen step. Press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin-set mortar and align. Stair-nosing profiles must be solidly embedded prior to setting tile to ensure support and long-term performance. Trowel thin-set mortar over all profile anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges on the stair tread. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar so that the tiled surface is flush with the surface of the profiles. Set the tile to the sheen step integrated joint spacer, which ensures a uniform joint. Insert the tile into the pocket of the Dial-X EKE. Remove excess setting material from the profiles immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. Repeat the installation process, making sure the sheen step is properly supported on each stair tread. The sheen step installation is now complete. With proper planning and execution, the sheen step profile will provide a clean finish and protect tile edges on stairs.